class. Today we are going to learn about knowing numbers. This is your maths first chapter. Already you have learned Indian system of numeration and international system of numeration. I have explained Indian system, how to put commas and separate the number, and how to write in words I explained, as well as international system also I explained the same. Do you have any doubt about Indian system and international system? Again, you go back to the videos and check out. And today's the topic is estimating and comparing numbers. What is the topic of the maths today? Estimating and comparison of numbers. Okay na? So how to compare the numbers? Children, I will give some numbers here. Look at the board clearly and listen to me properly. Okay na? So I will give the numbers. Then estimation means we should compare the numbers and we have to check which is the greatest number and which is the smallest number. Okay na? So then this is already you have completed in your earlier classes. 5th class you have completed. But first chapter is the revision chapter. So we are recalling again. Okay na? So then I will give some numbers here. 34, 2578, 698, 75,434. So 34, this is one number. 2578, 698, 75,434. Now we are comparing the numbers. Okay na? So comparing, how can we know which is the greatest number? First of all, we have to count the digits. For example, beta, here this is a 34. It is a 2-digit number. It is a 2-digit number. How many digits are there in this number? 2 digits. And now we are going to the next number, 2578. Means here 4 numbers are there. Then 698. 3 numbers are there. Then 3 means if 3 numbers are in this, it is, we can say, 3-digit number. Okay, now it is a 3-digit number. Next, 75,434. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In this 5 digits are there. Children, have a look. It is here 2 digits, 4 digits, 3 digits, 5 digits. So totally in which here this number has 5 digits. So this will be the greatest number. Which number has more digits, that will be the greatest number. Like that we have to compare the numbers. So now greatest number is 75,434. So among this, which is the smallest? Yes, you are correct, and it is very easy also, I know that. Then 34. The smallest number is 34. Okay, very good. Now let us go for one more example. Okay, I will give you numbers. So here I have given 3 numbers. Now we are comparing the 3 numbers beta. See here. So to compare the numbers, estimating the numbers, what we have to do first, the first step is we have to count the number of digits in that number. So here it is a 5 digit, and here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digit, and here also 5 digit. Yes, so then totally 5 digit numbers. So now what we have to do, all the numbers are having 5 digits now. So what we have to do, so that we have to check the 10,000 column, means ones, tens, hundreds, thousands and 10,000. So we should compare the numbers from the right to the left, not left to the right. 2, 8, 1 manam compare cheyakudu. Okay na? So what we have to compare beta? We have to compare from the right to left. Here the first right most number is 3 and here 7. Here 8. So among this 3, 7, 8, which is the greatest? Obviously 8 is the greatest number. 8 is the greatest number. Okay children, if 8 is the greatest, obviously this number is the greatest number. Next number 7. Next number 3. So then we can write in a order. Among these 3 numbers, the greatest number is 89,311, and then here I am writing GN and SN. Your 6th class children, you can able to follow my class also. GN means greatest number and SN means smallest number. But you don't write like this. You can write in your homework book greatest number and smallest number. Okay na? For my convenience I am writing like this. Okay. So then smallest number, see here beta, which is the smallest? 8 is the greatest. Then among these two, now we have to compare these two numbers, 3 and 7. Which is the smallest here? 3 is the smallest. So then 34,542. Understand children? Yes? Okay. Then let us go for one more example. So I'll give two numbers. You have to compare and estimate. First you have to compare the numbers, then after you have to estimate which is greatest and which is smallest. So then see here. Okay. So among this, which is greatest and which is smallest. So first of all, first step is we have to count to the number of digits. Here we have 5 digits. Here also have 5 digits. Means these two numbers are in 10,000 square. So comparing, we will start from the right side. Here 5 and here also 5. So 5 equal. So then we will go for the next number comparison. 2, 2. Here also the two numbers are equal. Next go to the next number. 3, 3. These are up to here all the numbers are equal. Now we are comparing the next. Here we have 4 and here we have 7. Now we can compare because up to here all the digits are same in the given numbers. So now we are comparing the tens column number. So here in tens column we have 4 and here 7. Children, among these two, which is the greatest number? 7 is the greatest number and the small is 4. So this number will be the greatest number and this number will be the smallest number. Okay na? Now what you have learned? Comparison of numbers by the comparing estimation, which is greatest and which is smallest. Children, understand the concept. Today's homework is I am giving homework problems. And you have to write the greatest and smallest. Okay na? Among these three, which is greatest and smallest, you have to write. Second problem, you have to write the greatest number and the smallest number. For each and every problem, you have to write the problem, then after you have to write the in solution greatest number. First you have to compare the numbers, then after write the greatest and smallest. So then So you have to write which is smaller and which is greatest. So these are the problems. You have to write greatest number and smallest number for these numbers, and understand, children. So what you have to do, you have to write greatest number of the, first you have to compare the numbers. Among the given numbers, you have to write the greatest number, then after smallest number. This will be your homework, and do the practice, and also learn the tables. After this chapter, we are going to, you have whole numbers, multiplications, all this, so learn the tables also. 1 to 20 tables, with these problems, and write 1 to 20 tables one time homework.